Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I am the Mainly Digger. In this video, definitely do some metal detecting and we do some exploring of this abandoned. It's not actually abandoned. I've been told it's used, but usually not occupied. All right, I'm out. Holy shit! Someone got offended that I said it was abandoned. Clearly not. It's mowed. Anyway, so I'm not going inside when I explore, but I'm doing some metal detecting and then I'll explore the ground the outside.
Reporting from the office of the Mainly Digger.
All right, I'm out. Holy shit.
Side note and explanation. And also a story of my adventure. Exciting adventure that I just had. Oh great, story time. Another story. Yay. Good times. It's public property. It's also monitored. The building itself is monitored, so you can't go inside.
So you can see the lock. That's easily. Department of Inland Fisheries and Wildlife.
I can't go inside. No one can go inside without permission. But they have a monitoring system, and I know this. And what I was doing was legal. I was checking it out, and it scared the crap out of me. Like I did not expect that. And I saw the camera and I looked at it and I was like, I'm out.
All right, I'm out. Holy shit.
I'm not vandalizing anything, which is their major concern. Anyway, it was fun. I got a thrill out of it. Mainly dig out.
So I'll tell you what that looks like. That looks like a sim round, sim munitions. So paintball round. 4 real live guns. They change the barrel out and they use pretty much paintball guns, sim munitions, simulation. I just mansplained that to the extreme. I am back at the abandoned hospital. It's somewhat abandoned. You can see it's been mowed. It's not completely abandoned. Someone got on my case for being like, oh, it's abandoned. There's no one in there right now. No occupants. Anyway. No idea what this is. Obviously a piece of metal. But anything here, I'm digging everything here because this used to be where the Central Maine Fair was. Also the trotting park, racetrack, horse racing track. You can church it up as many times as you want. It's still horse racing. Anyway, this area right here. It's just a gorgeous area. I'll stop talking. Very cool. It's just a cap bottle opener. Cap taker offer. Someone was probably sitting here popping tops and drinking some brews and dropped it. That might actually be something. I don't know what it is. It has, you can kind of see a design to it. It'd be cool if it'd be part of some jewelry or something, but I'll have to find out. I ventured closer to the abandoned hospital. Oh, same thing. I don't know what they are. Probably like, they're pretty smooth on the inside. So like maybe something for a rope or twine. So you put the twine on the inside. I don't know. Who knows? So my ADD kicked in and I just need to explore a little bit the adventurer side of me. You can see there's like tile where they did some landscaping. I don't know, the random rock somewhere anyway. This is Seton Hospital. It was opened in the 70s and recently abandoned, early 2000s, maybe 90s. Not really certain, but it couldn't be the 90s. So my sister-in-law and brother-in-law were born in this hospital, so it'd have to be later than the 90s. Let's go over here. I'm probably gonna get hurt. We'll see. So you can see the lock. That's easily pickable lock. Very cool. Access by permission. I'm not actually going inside the building. And it's Department of Inland Fisheries and Wildlife. So this is the back side. You can see lights are still on. I know that side is used for someone uses it. I don't know who uses it. Anyway, it's just a cool place to go. Nice walk, very nice walk. They have some trails. That's not a trail. There's a trail right there that kind of goes around, and it's an awesome, gorgeous, nice walk. There's nothing scary about this abandoned hospital. Maybe, who knows? Probably scary. Probably some horrible story happened here. Kind of going around. You can see where there's some graffiti. I love me some graffiti. Someone lost their hat. More graffiti. I had to stop and take a photo of this right here. All right, I'm out. Holy shit.